Learn to design compelling spaces for film with an architect's eye. Nick Stath is a concept designer for movies with a background in real-world architecture. In his first ever Learn Squared course, he'll teach you to merge these two worlds, creating interior designs that don't just look cinematic, but could actually be built, like these examples from Alien Romulus. Get ready for a comprehensive simulation of the film experience. You'll choose one of 3 distinct projects to work on, each with its own specific instructions, style guides, and sketches provided by an art director. From there, you'll create plan and section drawings, block out the space in 3D, and deliver final artwork. Throughout the lessons, you'll dive into the kinds of details most artists don't think to add, the ones that make interiors truly convincing. For example, how can ceilings affect the mood of a room? Where can panels be placed for surfacing machinery? How does the pouring method of concrete influence the look of a wall? Digging into small details like this will elevate your work, helping it look good, tell a story, and make practical sense, all at the same time. By the end of these 5 lessons, you'll have a full set of portfolio-ready images, including cinematic keyframes, overhead, side, and isometric views, and even animated 3D walkthroughs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these industry-leading techniques will give your interior concept designs a new authenticity and flair. Sign up today and begin your journey at LearnSquared.com.